The iPhone 14 Pro is expected to be getting a much needed charging upgrade. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So guys, with the Apple September event is approaching, iPhone 14 rumors are heating up. The latest leak is coming from tipster Duan Rui, who says that the iPhone 14 Pro will support a 30 watt of charging speed. Basically, similar leak has been coming from a tipster Ming Chi Ko, who has a good track record, indicates that Apple is coming with a 30 watt USB-C power adapter. But he also mentioned that this new charger will be based on gallium nitride technology. Basically, this is a crystalline material that will allow Apple to make smaller and more efficient charger. Now, the third tipster, McCory Wood, has given us this information earlier this month, which indicates that the iPhone 14 would support 30 watt of charging, but he also added that the speed would drop to 27 to 25 watt after the first charging cycle phase, which is standard practice amongst the mobile vendors, and it adopted to help with the heat management. He also mentioned that the wireless charging speed would remain the same as 15 watt and the phone may support reverse wireless charging. Now he also indicates that the 30 watt charging would be exclusive to the Pro models, like the 6.1 and 6.7 inch Pro and the Pro Max models will be coming with the upgraded 30 watt charging speed, and also same has been confirmed by the tipster Duan Rui. This implies that the 6.1 inch iPhone 14 and 6.7 inch iPhone 14 Max will stuck with the same charging speed, which is a bummer considering that regular models are also tipped to feature same design, rear cameras and chipset as their predecessor. Now, if the leak is true, then definitely this is a big news for all Apple fans who really wanted to have an upgraded charging speed. Having a 30 watt charging does not mean that we can expect to have a fast charging, but still it will provide you a better quality of charging speed as compared to its predecessor. Today, rumors also mentioned that Apple will be sticking with the Lightning interface, which though disappointing, but it is not surprising, given that Apple is rumored to transition to USB-C next year with the iPhone 15 family. The bright side is that Apple may increase Lightning speed data transfer rate to USB 3.0. The current Lightning connector is based on USB 2.0, which support 480 megabytes, as the new standard can deliver up to 5 gigabytes. So guys, the iPhone 14 Pro and the Pro Max will be upgrading in the camera department with the 48 megapixel of main camera sensor. Apple A16 Bionic chipset will be coming inside, which is 10 to 15% faster than the last year model. Also, it's going to be coming with an upgraded battery capacity, and overall design of the front is going to be different. So definitely the Pro models are going to be coming with major changes. Expect that the Pro models are going to be more expensive, where the standard model are going to be priced same as the last year 13 models. And Apple will be announcing the iPhone 14 lineup on September 7 alongside with very expensive rugged watch model for athletes, the Watch Series 8 and a new SE watch and new earbuds. I'm super excited about that particular event. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new 30 watt charging speed? Thanks for watching. Peace.